Okay, I've got a couple questions about building corners, or at least like setting 5x5s and things like that outside of the corner and inside. So I'm going to give you a little example here on this corner of the building, somewhere in there, how to set a 5x5 or a 10x10 just based on stationing. Okay, so let's believe that this corner is not here right now. So if you're coming from this direction, at least in your data collector, if you're going to set like a 5-foot offset this way, directly off this line, it'll be, let's say 0 is behind me and it's 50 feet. So that'd be 0 plus 50. So it'd be, your stationing would be 0 plus 50 on a right offset. To do a 5x5 over here, you just extend the stationing. So it's 0 plus 55, still the 5-foot offset because you're going 5 feet, 5 feet, and that'd be a 5x5 there. It'd be the same thing for like a 10x10. As long as you're a 10-foot offset, go out 10 more feet on your stationing, and that would give you a 10x10. And then, so a 5x5 would be 707 to the corner, 10x10, 1414. To do one on the inside, and we have to do these a lot, especially if the building is between two other buildings, it's the same thing. Let's say this is still 0 plus 50. As you're doing your stationing, you just cut your stationing 5 feet for a 5x5 or 10 feet for a 10x10, and then you can do a line only as well. And you cut the stationing depending on what your 5x5 or 10x10. So you cut it 5 feet for a 5x5, 10 feet for a 10x10, and then the same thing for like a line only if you wanted to go five more feet. But that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm not sure if that's what the question was that I've been getting about like an interior offset 5x5 or what have you. And again, the reason why we would do them is if the building were to come really close up to the PL on both sides. That happens a lot in the city. So having an interior 5x5 off or building corner or 10x10 is not that uncommon. The main thing is just so they don't trench through it. So let me know if that answers the question, or if you have any more questions. And while whenever I'm on a job site where I can kind of give an example of that, I'll make a quick little video. That's it. Survey out.